You clicked on this title and now you're probably wondering, what do I need to know? I'm gonna tell you. The thing that you need to know when you're a makeup beginner is your undertone. Before you click out of this video and think that's so boring, it's actually gonna help you with so much more than you think it will. Knowing your undertone will help you with determining what foundation is best for you, lipstick shades, blush shades, etc. Not only that, but it can also help you with determining what color shades are the most flattering on you for clothing. It's a very useful thing to know, especially for makeup beginners, and that's why I'm making this video. Now we're going to talk about what exactly an undertone is. An undertone is basically the hues of color that lie beneath the surface of your skin. There are 3 undertones: a warm, cool, and neutral undertone. Cool undertones are a mix of blue, red, and pink complexions. On the other hand, a warm undertone is going to consist of golden, yellow, peachier hues. If you have a neutral undertone, it's actually going to be a little bit easier for you to determine because you're going to notice that you don't have a warm or a cool one. It just looks like your skin color. Now I'm going to help you with determining which undertone is yours. The first way, and this is actually the easiest way, is by looking at your wrist veins. Down when you're in natural lighting, and if you notice that you have blue or green wrist veins, this indicates that you have a cool undertone. Those with green or olive wrist veins indicates that you have a warmer undertone. And then if you have bluish purple veins, this indicates that you have a neutral undertone. The second way is by comparison. So what you want to do is grab a white t-shirt or paper and hold it up next to your face when you're in natural lighting. If your skin looks a little yellow next to the white paper object, this indicates that you have a warm undertone. If your skin looks red or a little bit rosier, this is going to indicate that you have a cool undertone. This next one is a little bit interesting, but it actually has to do with tanning. If you burn easily, this indicates that you have a cooler undertone, but on the other hand, if you tan easily, this can indicate that you have a warmer undertone. And then if you burn and then you tan, this indicates that you have a neutral undertone. The last way to determine what your undertone is actually looking at your jewelry. This can give you a slight indication of what your undertone might be. If you find that silver jewelry looks best on you, this indicates that you have a cool undertone. On the other hand, if gold jewelry looks best on you, this indicates that you have a warmer undertone. If you find that both look really good on you, this indicates that you have a neutral undertone. Okay, so that's all I have for you, but I'm going to link my blog post down below if you want to learn a little bit more. I hope you were able to determine your undertone. Comment down below which one you think yours is, and if you're not sure, just comment and I'll try and help you with figuring it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the Beginner's Guide to Makeup for more content like this. Have a great day. Bye!